Hello guys, this is Dr. Palaniappan. So many of us, you have been asking for this video and here it is. If you have ever felt like your stomach bloats up like a balloon, making you uncomfortable, sluggish or even embarrassed, has your friend after seeing your tummy asked you, is it a boy or a girl? And you said it is masala dosa, then this video is for you. Bloating is frustrating, unpredictable and it's very uncomfortable. So today we're breaking it all down from why you get bloated, how do you stop it and what actually works when nothing else does. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step strategy to beat bloating naturally without extreme diets or expensive supplements. Let's dive deep into it. Before we get into the solutions, you need to know why you are bloated in the first place. Because without finding your root cause, no remedy will work. Bloating is not just because of one thing. It can come from different causes and knowing which one applies to you is the key to fix it. Hormonal fluctuations, medical and other digestive conditions can also cause bloating, but for most people, bloating happens because of excess gas in the gut. Your gut bacteria ferment certain foods and this process releases gas. Some foods are more difficult to digest and cause more fermentation leading to bloating. The gut bacteria are like event decorators which balloon the stomach with gas during the fermentation party. If you eat a lot of beans, onion, garlic, dairy or sugar-free products or cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and experience bloating, then these foods might be the reason. My patient Aragyasamy crucifies the healthy cruciferous vegetables and hopes that Medical Red Cross Hospital will resurrect him. Sometimes bloating happens because you are swallowing too much air. You might be eating too fast, talking while chewing, drinking through a straw or chewing gum all day. More air in your stomach means more gas buildup and of course bloating. My friend Saranakumar swallows even the air that carries the smell of mutton biryani. Another major cause is constipation. If food is sitting in your gut for too long, it has more time to ferment, which means more gas buildup. If you often feel bloated and haven't been going to the bathroom regularly, then that might be the real problem. Even food cannot be lazy. It should not sit long in your stomach. It has to move. Whatever happens, life has to move on, but shit will happen only if the foods move on. Food intolerances can also make bloating worse. If every time you eat dairy or gluten you feel bloated, your body might not be digesting these properly and you might be having a food intolerance. A good way to test this is to eliminate them for a few weeks and see if your symptoms improve. Now that we know what is causing it, let's fix it. The first step is to identify which foods are making you bloat. If you suspect certain foods, try removing them for a few days and see what happens. I investigated my patient Arogyasamy's diet like a detective. First, inquired the usual suspects like breakfast, lunch and dinner, got some clues in the snacks, and finally I found the culprit, his phone app, Swiggy. You don't have to cut out everything at once, but test and adjust based on how your body reacts. The next thing to do is to eat slower. This might sound too simple, but it makes a huge difference. When you eat too fast, you swallow a lot of air and that air gets trapped in your gut, making you feel bloated. People with siblings eat fast so that the sister won't get the extra dosa. They don't leave the evidence behind, but in the front. And people in the marriage dining hall stand behind you and stare at your mouth, expecting you to gulp all the varieties in one scoop. Chew your food properly, don't talk while eating and avoid drinking from straws. Next time, if you talk well in the client lunch, you may get promoted, and if your gut bacteria are out of balance, bloating becomes a constant problem. I have made an entire video on how to build, maintain and repair your gut. You can watch it here using the link. And another important step is staying hydrated. Dehydration can slow digestion, which makes bloating worse. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day helps keep your gut moving and reduces the chances of bloating. I advise my wife to carry a 2-liter water bottle with her all the time. She agreed, and now I carry both handbag and the water bottle. Movement is another powerful method. Have you ever noticed that your bloating feels better after a walk? That is because movement helps push gas through your digestive system. Even a short 10-minute walk after meals can make a big difference. Certain natural remedies can also help relieve bloating. Peppermint tea. It is well known for its ability to relax the digestive tract muscles and reduce spasms in the gut, which can help gas move through more easily. To use it, steep 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves or 1 peppermint tea bag in hot water for 10 minutes and drink it after meals. I'm afraid the foodies would add polo peppermint in hot water and call it peppermint tea. Ginger is a powerful anti-bloating remedy because it makes food move faster through your stomach and intestines, reducing the chance of fermentation and gas buildup. The compound gingerol in ginger also has anti-inflammatory effects that soothe the gut lining. You can chew on a small piece of fresh ginger or make ginger tea by boiling sliced ginger in water for 10 minutes or add fresh ginger to your meals. There is a famous Kamal song, Inji Idu Palagi, using ginger as an analogy to women's waist. Kamal knows about his diet and also about his heroines. Another great natural remedy for bloating is cumin seeds, which stimulate digestive enzymes and help break down food more efficiently, reducing gas. Drinking cumin water can be particularly helpful after meals. Chewing fennel seeds can help release trapped gas. Clove is another wonderful option and has been traditionally used to treat digestive issues. It helps prevent excessive gas formation. You can chew a clove after meals or add it to herbal teas. Caraway seeds are another underappreciated remedy. These seeds have anti-spasmodic properties that help relieve bloating and stomach cramps. You can chew a small amount after meals or brew them into a tea by boiling them in water. Most of them are a trial and error method. Some of these are placed in the restaurant's billing counter, but my loyal subscriber Subramani treats it like the main course. If you're looking to improve your whole gut health naturally, I have made a video on 10 ancient superfoods that can transform your digestion and boost your gut health. I will link it here so you can watch it if you're interested. Most bloating is harmless, but if you experience severe abdominal pain, blood in your stool, persistent diarrhea or constipation, or sudden weight loss which is unintentional, it is time to get checked by a doctor. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might need this, and tell me in the comments what video do you want me to do next. Stay happy, stay gutsy. May God bless you.